Here's a story of horror from Unnao in Uttar Pradesh, where 3 girls were found in a field. 2 of them dead, the third one in a serious unconscious condition. The minor girls, we are told, had left their houses to bring fodder for the cattle. Now, there are 2 versions that are emerging with regards to how they were found, how the bodies and the survivor was actually found. One of the deceased victims' brother says that the girls were found with their hands and legs tied. But the mother of the survivor has denied that. She says the hands and legs were not tied. She herself found her and wiped the froth that was coming from her daughter's mouth with her sari.
मेरे पास जब यहाँ मरीज यहाँ पर आई है तो बिल्कुल गैस्पिंग में आई थी, उसकी सांस बिल्कुल उखड़ रही थी, मुंह से पूरा झाग आ रहा था, मुंह के अंदर पूरा सेक्रीशंस बहुत भरे हुए थे और उसकी प्यूपिल बिल्कुल कॉन्स्ट्रिक्टेड थी और कोई रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रही थी, टोटली अनकॉन्शियस थी। उसके साइंस जो है वो ऐसा लग रहा है कि ऑर्गेनोफॉस्फोरस पॉइजनिंग उसको हुई है। ऑर्गेनोफॉस्फोरस होता है जैसे जो कीटाणुनाशक दवाएं यूज होती हैं, जो उस समय इसके जो क्लिनिकली जो लग रहा है।
हरेरी लेने गई थी खेत में, उसके बाद हरेरी से जब रोज चली आती थी तब उसमें लेट हुआ तो करीब 6-7 बजे हम लोग ढूंढने निकले कि सब तन ढूंढने तो नहीं मिले। तब खेतन ढूंढने चालू कर, तब उसी लाही वाले खेत में बंधी मिली सब, तीनों लोग इकट्ठे खेत में सब बंधी हुई मिली हैं सब। ये कपड़ा पर जो पहने थी इसी से सब बंधे हुए, चुन्नी उन्नी से जो।
कपड़े पूरे कहीं खराब तो नहीं थे? कपड़े अस्त व्यस्त नहीं थे?
नहीं, कपड़े पूरे कुछ
उसका दुपट्टा कैसे डाली तुम्हारी? वो
हमारी दुपट्टा इससे डालेल है, इससे
जैसे डाला जाएगा
हमेशा रोज डालती थी।
उसके हाथ पैर कोई नहीं बंधे थे?
हाथ पैर नहीं बंधे थे,
खाली मुंह से वो निकला,
झाग निकाला। तुमने फिर अपने दुपट्टे से उसका किससे साड़ी पूछा? किससे पूछा? साड़ी से उसका झाग पहुंचा?
जिंदा नहीं है,
दो खत्म हो गई।
हमारी लड़की जो है उसके कहा श्वासा उसके चलत रहा, श्वासा खाली घर नहीं रहा है बस, और कोई नहीं।
बाकी 2 वहीं मौके पे खत्म हो गई।
हाँ, वो हम खत्म हो गई, जगह हम खत्म हो गए, पता नहीं कब खत्म।
Well, so there you heard it from the 2 family members. Of course, the investigation has to be done by the police, who's right now only quoting the mother of the survivor and saying that the girl's hands were not and legs were not tied up. They have initiated the investigation. Of course, the post-mortem will have to be done before we find out more details. There is a sense that there was poison in these girls. Now, whether they took it themselves or somebody gave them the poison is what needs to be investigated.
Well, this is the spot in the village where exactly the 3 girls were found in an unconscious situation late on Wednesday evening. They had left their home around 3 p.m. to gather some fodder for their cattle. Well, for now, it seems to be a blind case for the police because they have not found any motive or evidences of involvement of an outsider in perhaps feeding poison, because the case of poisoning has been confirmed by the doctors after the 2 girls aged 13 and 16 years were brought dead in the local hospital here. The doctors have confirmed it was a case of poisoning. The 3rd girl whose age is 17 years has been referred to a private hospital in Kanpur. She's very critical. She's still being treated there, and now the police is relying on the statements perhaps of the 3rd girl when she gains consciousness to know about what exactly transpired around evening on Wednesday that led to the death of these 2 very young minor girls, and the 3rd girl being very, very critical. So far as the family is concerned, they have ruled out any personal enmity with anybody. Well, evidences of sexual assault are also missing here, although certain family members have alleged that the 3 girls were found in a situation wherein their hands and legs were tied, but the police is still not confirming the case. As far as the senior police officials are concerned, they have made 6 teams to look into the mysterious case, to probe it threadbare. There's dog squad that has been pressed into service, and the police is questioning the family members and certain other people from the village at length to know as to what exactly happened that led to this very, very unfortunate situation.